All right, guys, so by now everybody's seen the video of Haiden Deegan getting a little angry, frustrated with his Yamaha Star Racing YZ250F failing on him at Unadilla in a title battle, right? Oh, you haven't? Let's watch it together then. So my question for you guys is that behavior acceptable? Yeah, he's a young kid, but he's not a young kid anymore. He's a professional athlete making hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars. He's got a lot of very, very young kids watching him, and I'm sure he was going through some real crap in his head. I mean, title battle, rookie season, bike fails, whatever. But what do you guys think? Leave it down in the comments. Was that acceptable behavior?